What is up and welcome to another video. My name is Chill. Join me today, guys. Very exciting market. Bitcoin has dropped to 62,500 today, and right now it is bouncing back up. So we are going to talk about Bitcoin, and of course we'll talk about Book of Meme, and were you able to get in to Slurf yesterday, guys? If you did, I hope you made significant amount of profit. So we have spoke about it yesterday, and today we'll talk about Bitcoin and the next possible price action. Is this the start of the bigger drop, or are we going to see a bounce? What's the reason for the drop? So we'll talk about it. And of course, we'll talk about Ethereum trade, Solana, Ethereum Classic. We'll also check out the update on the Slurf trade and the Book of Meme. So if you are ready, don't forget to smash that like button, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. And of course, don't forget to click that notification bell. Let's dive right in.
All my fellas. All my fellas. All my fellas. All my fellas.
Welcome guys to the stream. I hope you're all doing great. It's Tuesday, March 19, 2024, and Bitcoin is back to $65,500. And if you are in our Discord community, congratulations. We had one good short today from 67 down to $62,000. So that was a fantastic trade. I'll update you today with that trade. Also, we'll share it to the viewers on our YouTube channel. And Fear and Greed Index is now back to 83, guys. So it seems that Bitcoin just took a breather and probably will continue its pump. So let's go talk about it. We'll check the chart. And also Ethereum, guys. I'm still holding my Ethereum trade. I talked about possible falling wedge or long position yesterday near the support. We have seen the price wick down, but let's see how the next price action for Bitcoin and Ethereum, and of course some of the major altcoins like Solana. So market has dropped today, but right now we are seeing a good bounce, guys. We did not hit the final target here. This is actually one of the Discord trade that I have shared in our Discord community today. So also I've discussed about this possible rising wedge pattern. The ideal breakout target of this is around 61,600. We did not reach that target today, but instead we are looking at this possible bounce. So how high this bounce is gonna go. So let's measure and take the Fibonacci retracement from this swing high, of course, on the 4-hour time frame down to the swing low, guys. So this price could actually retrace. The first level that it would target will be the 38.2, which will give us 66,700. These are the Fibonacci retracement level, guys. So we are right now looking at the possible bounce. So previously, let's try to measure this one right here. So this one from swing high to swing low, this level right here, we have seen Bitcoin bounce back up near the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. Let's try to check out this wave right here. So swing high, swing low, Bitcoin bounce back up to, there's a wick up to the 61.8, but it got rejected near the 50% level. And if that is going to repeat on this swing high and swing low right here, then probably we are expecting Bitcoin to bounce back up or retrace up to 68,120. So watch out for this level, guys. Also 38.2. This previous breakout target will now serve as a resistance for Bitcoin. So these are the two levels that you need to keep an eye on. It's 66,800 and 68,120. Thank you so much for joining me today. We have Shani joining us on YouTube. We have chart request FTM analysis. When the market was falling today, FTM was actually pumping, guys. So let me put it on my notepad here. FTM. And all right. Barbara Spencer is also joining us on YouTube, guys. We have also ASCE. Hi, Chill, learning from your stream. Thanks. You're welcome. Imtiaz is also joining us. Hello, Chill. Please share FTM. So we have 2 FTM chart requests. Wow. Andrej Kozak, one of our members in our YouTube community. So there's actually 2 ways you can get in to our Discord, guys. If you are part of our YouTube community, you will also gain access into our Discord channel. Bruce Wayne in the house. Also, Andres Jaworski, or Aja the Fixer, is also joining us. So watch out for these levels, guys. These are the previous support now will turn as a resistance. So based on the previous price action, Bitcoin usually retrace near the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. So this short position from 66,000 down to 62,000 was one of the Discord trade today. So let me share it with you. This was the exact chart, guys. So when Bitcoin was about to drop, I've shared this short position, and also I've shared my entry point here when I started to enter the trade, guys. Engineer Bilal is also joining us on YouTube. Desi Boy as well. Hi, Chill. Please, Filecoin. Hi, Chill. I am from Pakistan requesting for GMT analysis. So we have Filecoin. Let me open up FTM, Filecoin, and GMT. Let's see if we can cover all the chart requests today. We'll try our best. So 130% here. TP1, TP2 was hit at 64,400 or $64,500. TP2, TP3, 64,000. Closed my trade in Binance. Holding short in Fairdesk. You can move your stop loss back to entry and continue to hold. So this was one of my trade in my Fairdesk account. 62,000. TP6, 62,600 was hit, guys. So these are all the take profit zones. We have reached the second to the last target, but we haven't reached the 62,000 level. But nonetheless, it was a fantastic, beautiful, beautiful trade. Where can we short BTC? How to join premium crypto trader. So you can head on to Patreon, or you can be part of our YouTube community and you will gain access into our Discord, guys. So also there is a free community, free public Telegram group. The link are all in the description down below. So looking at the liquidation heat map, we still have this 50,000 level, guys. $1.68 billion amount of liquidation is still waiting on this area. But looking at the smaller time frame, looking at the 24-hour time frame, we have actually small liquidation at around 66,140 up to 66,500. So that is in confluence with the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level. So we have actually a very good resistance trend line here. So watch out for this level right here, 66,800 up to 50% Fibonacci retracement level. These are the two levels that you need to keep an eye on for possible resistance, guys. All right, all charts in CA, by the way, are for educational purposes only and should not be considered as a financial advice. We have actually a falling broadening wedge, and a falling broadening wedge is actually a bullish pattern, guys. And usually we get a bounce near the support trend line, which is supposed to be around $61,600, but we were able to see Bitcoin bounce at around 62,500. So we'll wait for the confirmation. I will be looking at this exact level. This will invalidate the bearish trend once we see Bitcoin breaks the 50% level, or 68,500. 68,000. 4-hour candle closing above 68,600 will invalidate the bearish trend. But for now, we're still in an overall downtrend here. What we are seeing is just a small bounce, similar to this two waves right here. That's for Bitcoin. How to join YouTube community. So for YouTube community, I think there is a button, and it's not available on my end, but I think there is a button. This one. You can click join. This button right here. You can click join if you want to be part of the YouTube community. So next one is, we'll talk about my trade here. So I am still holding my Bitcoin short position, guys. So I have shorted Bitcoin at $72,800, and my final short-term target was $61,500 up to $60,000. And right now we are seeing a short-term bounce. And as what I've told you on my previous video, this 200 exponential moving average will act as a major resistance for Bitcoin. So if you are going to zoom in, you will see that the price is having a hard time breaking this 200 exponential moving average. So if you know the basic, guys, if you know how to use this exponential moving average, that's what you can see there. It's very, very clean. Several rejections. You can actually do scalp trades using this exponential moving average or moving averages. So that was a 2% move. Another rejection right here, 3%. Not only 3%, but it went down from this level. It went down up to 8 or 9%, guys. So you can actually use moving averages. You can start practicing trading using moving averages if you don't want to pay for expensive indicators. So congratulations to those who were able to get into the Bitcoin trade. Let's move on to the next one. Thank you so much for all the subscribers, guys. Our subscribers keeps on going up. In fact, I have gained like 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. More than 4,500 subs in less than 28 days. So last Feb 27, less than 15 days actually, 4,500 subs. And this is not normal. That means that retails are slowly coming back to the market, and I think FOMO is driving the market right now. So if you have been watching my live stream, guys, I talked about the possible final shakeout, and we are on that time frame right now. We are on that very critical level. So I think, in my own opinion, looking at long term, if you're going to zoom out, guys, this is actually a buying opportunity. So we're just trading it short term to earn, like, similar to this trade right here. So if you want to copy my trade, or if you want to trade with me in Fairdesk, it's actually very easy to create an account, and I'm sharing with you my trade live on Fairdesk. So if you're watching my live stream, if you're making a good amount of profit on our trades here, you can actually use Fairdesk. It's pretty easy to use, straightforward. Also, the fees are very low, and no KYC is required. ETH trade, please. I have actually prepared Ethereum chart here. Can you do TA on T-Fuel coin, and can you tell upcoming move of this T-Fuel? All right, let me write it down. We'll try to cover as much as we can today, and we'll try to find some good live trades. I'm still holding my Ethereum long here, and yesterday I've shared with you guys the target for Ethereum Fibonacci retracement level. So these are the DCA and buy zones for Ethereum, guys. So this dip, in my own opinion, is a buying opportunity. All right, because we're approaching the next Bitcoin halving in the next 32 days, guys. So Bitcoin halving is happening on April 20. That's approximately 1 month. And after the halving, based on the previous price action, based on historical data, we are seeing that we might see a parabolic run after halving, guys. So 500 days after halving is the parabolic run for Bitcoin, based on the previous price action. So today we have seen that Bitcoin flash crashed to $8,900 on BitMEXC. And according to, I don't know if limit orders were triggered on BitMEXC, but I think it is very, very unlikely, guys, because I have been into the past bears and bull market. This wicks will not actually trigger limit orders. So even if you have limit order at $10,000, it will not get executed. So that is based on my previous experience. We have seen last 2021, we have seen that flash crash when there was an outage in China. And we have seen that Bitcoin drop very, very fast, one single day. And I have actually set limit orders, but it did not execute. And also, if you are going to sell at market orders when this happened, you will get the worst price, guys. So if you're holding your trade at 65,000 and you market sell, probably you will sell it at very, very low price. So that is why avoid market sell or market buy order. So feel free to check out my previous video talking about or comparing about limit order and market orders. So in this scenario, you need to avoid doing market sell and market orders, because you will get the worst price in the market. And of course, you will pay very, very high fees. So the price crash on BitMEX occurred on XBT USD spot market late Monday. BitMEX said on X that it is investigating the large sell orders that caused the flash crash. So yes, you read it. You read the title right. Late Monday, Bitcoin BTC suffered a brief crash to as low as 8,900 on cryptocurrency exchange BitMEX. So actually, El Capo of crypto was right, guys. So we have seen Bitcoin crash on BitMEX down to 8,900.
I got a bad feeling about this.
So Capo was actually right after all. Next one is Ethereum, guys. So Ethereum on the weekly time frame. Again, these are my buy zones and DCA buy zones for Ethereum. So I have set limit orders at these levels, guys. 61.8, 50%, and 38.2, which is around 3,100, 2,800, and 2,500. So I have set several limit orders. And in my own opinion, it is still likely that Ethereum would probably retrace back to these levels before going back up. So let's see how it plays out in the coming days. Right now, the oscillator is in the overbought area. So we are due for a correction. And looking at the Bitcoin's chart, we have actually on the daily time frame or on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we have this. Let me delete first, hide all the drawings. All right, so we have this. Let me hide the. All right, so this candle right here is actually a reversal candle, guys. All right, we have a doji candle. So one thing you need to learn as well if you want to trade are candles. You need to read each of the candlesticks here. So this one right here, we have the candle opening, candle close, candle wick. So all of these have meanings, guys. And this one right here is a doji candle, which usually signal a possible reversal. So as what you can see, we have a lot of doji candle here. Then we have seen that significant drop, which is like around 15%. And right now, look, this is another doji candle right here. So what you can see, we have this doji candle followed by a big red bearish candle. And that is what we are seeing right now at this level. And another example right here, doji, or this is a bearish hammer, followed by a big bearish candle. Then look at this drop right here. Similar to this one, this is a bearish hammer. We have seen the price reverse a little bit, but eventually went down. So right now, we're looking at a possible start of a bigger drop, guys. Possible start of a bigger drop here. And looking at the liquidity heat map, we still have that $1.6 billion amount of liquidation at 50,000 level. So $1.66 billion. Liquidation is waiting at 50,000 level. So this is the Bitcoin weekly time frame. And also, if you're going to look at the oscillator, of course, using chart prime, One of the best paid indicator in my own experience. Market is in the overbought area. And yesterday we have seen the outflows coming from Grayscale, guys. So yesterday, I don't know how to check the data from yesterday. But today, these are the inflows. GBDC or Grayscale continue to sell, guys. 2,000 Bitcoins was sold today by Grayscale. And yesterday was the biggest. And BlackRock did not absorb all of that selling pressure from Grayscale. So right now, BlackRock is slowly slowing down in buying Bitcoin. So we have seen in the last week, this is around 12,000 Bitcoins per day. Right now, the numbers are slowly dropping, guys. So as what you can see right now, it dropped to 6,700. So if this will continue to drop and Grayscale will continue to sell, then we will see a significant effect on the Bitcoin's price in the coming days. BTC will go to 61K tonight, according to Maan Gudara. What do you think, guys? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Next one is, of course, Chart Prime. If you want to use the indicator that I'm using, guys, I'm using Chart Prime, one of the best paid indicator in my own experience. As what you can see, this can detect like overbought area, bearish divergence, bullish divergence, premium zone, money flow. And this is integrated directly into your TradingView account. So on my TradingView account, I have invite only script here. And these are all paid indicator from Chart Prime. You will get Market Dynamics Pro, Market Oracle Pro, Prime Oscillator Pro, and Prime Screener. If you use Prime Screener, you will be able to see the trending cryptos, guys, and also you will see the signal, buy signal and sell signal. For me, I'm not using that one because I want to use my own analysis. All right, so next one is, we talked about Slurf yesterday, and it's what I've told you, we are seeing a small momentum, guys. So yesterday the price was at 0.49 or 0.45. It was down by 32% yesterday because, again, one of the developers burned the liquidity pool and the airdrop tokens was burned, and it affected the price of Slurf, guys. So yesterday the market cap was around $226 million, and today, let's see, we're almost up by. So today morning the price actually went up to 1. I think we are here, 1.2. I think I saw it 1.2 today. 1.36 today. The price went up to 1.36. So if you were able to get in yesterday to the 0.49 level, then you have probably made 3x from yesterday. But again, not a financial advice. So the market cap right now is at $500 million. Also, Nizam Uddin is joining us. Feel free to review the video. We have already talked about Bitcoin. So Slurf, I think there's still a huge potential, guys. So trading meme coins are pure gamble. So only invest what you can afford to lose. And as what I've told you guys, the number one reason why Solana's price is pumping is because of all the meme coins under Solana's ecosystem. And Slurf actually went up, if not because of that developer who burned the liquidity pool and the airdrop. I think Slurf could have reached the $1 billion market cap. So let's see how it plays out. Again, these are just pure gamble, guys. This could go to zero tomorrow, and I could be totally wrong. Solana, resistance is possible, short resistance, premium zone. This was the previous analysis, guys, and as what I've told you, this is using chart prime. So if you can just wait for the price to get to your entry zone or level, then this was a beautiful, beautiful trade, guys. 17% unleveraged gain from that initial short entry point, guys. Premium zone. So this chart was actually shared in our Discord under Solana's channel. So this was the previous chart here. Possible short at around 205. 205, guys. So we have seen that rejection from 205 down to 170. And right now we are seeing a small bounce because we have order blocks here. So we have several limit order. 13 million Solana. Is that correct? 13. So 55% order block, loud order block is on this level. Means that there are buying pressure from 164 up to 177, guys. So let's check the Fibonacci retracement. So probably the price would retrace on these levels. Right? So 50%. So this could be the next price action for Solana, guys. Again, if you want to wait for 68%, so there are like higher chances that you'll be able to get in if you will short at 185. So probably you'll get like 90% here, 90% chance. This one, 50%, probably you'll get 50% of getting that entry at $190. And if you're going to wait for 61.8, probably that will give you like 30 to 20% chance. But of course, safer entry. Next one is ETC. So for ETC, guys, we have a huge bearish divergence on the weekly time frame. And these are the Fibonacci levels. So let's try to measure it from this swing low here from 12.6. And we drag our Fibonacci retracement tool up to this peak or the swing high, and that's how you get these retracement levels. So these are going to be my buy zones for ETC, guys. 29.46, 26.23, and $23. Watch out for these buy zones. I have set limit orders in spot on these levels. So I think that's it for today, guys. We'll go check out. Oh, we forgot to talk about BOEM. So yesterday, I was expecting the price to bounce near this level, guys, 0.011. But the price went down up to 0.089. And then we managed to see that bounce. So if you bought BOM on spot or Book of Meme, right now we are on profit and looks like we are breaking above the resistance trend line. So we are seeing higher lows here on the 1 hour time frame. And of course, this is going to be my invalidation here. Right now, we are up, guys. So if you bought yesterday BOM in spot, we are right now up by how many percent? 25%, 25%. So congratulations to those who were able to get into the trade. So let's go and move on to chart request Q&A. Let me know. Drop them in the chat section.
All my fellas. All my fellas. All my fellas. All my fellas. All my fellas.
Right. So we'll go check out FTM. So I think I have FTM. FLM, FTM. Oh, look at that. All right. We have actually a previous long position here for FTM. Let's wait a sec. All right, so we previously had a beautiful long position here on FTM, and right now FTM is looking super bullish, guys. So possible double bottom here, and right now the price is just going crazy, guys. The oscillator is already in the overbought area. Phantom jumps 23%. Analyst predicts next target breakout. Phantom $1 amid stronger holder confidence. Phantom launches recovery plan for fund loss multi-chain. All right. So let's try to check the Fibonacci levels. So this is going to be my key support level for FTM, guys. 0.52 up to 0.56. Right now, the next resistance, the price could actually still go up up to this. These are the Fibonacci retracement level, guys. And we have a confluence. We have a confluence here on the 61.8 or the Fibonacci golden ratio at $2.1. We have money flow level showing here as well. Let's try to check the liquidation heat map. I don't have my book map right now. But for FTM, let's go back to the chart. So what you can see, we don't have much trade on this level, guys. We don't have much trade on this level. That's why once we see that price break above this level, and then it is followed by this significant price action, 87%, because again, we don't have much trade and resistance on this level. And the next major resistance that I will be looking at will be around 1.38. We have small resistance here, and the next one will be 1.38. So, resistance level. Another one right here. For me personally, I would wait for this safer entry point zone for FTM. So this is gonna be my zone, guys. Previous pivot point here last April 2022. So this is a significant level of resistance for FTM. We have resistances along the way. We have small resistance at this level, 1.1, another at 1.39. But I would not go on a long position right now because that is just, the risk will be very high if you're going to go on long right now, because you would set your stop loss below this candle wick, and that will give you 26% risk, guys. And the reward, the first resistance will be like 7% away. And if you are going to target the 38.2, that will give you like 35% reward versus the 26% risk, which is not worth it at the current level. So probably wait for the price to reach the next resistance level and wait for a short-term correction, probably retracement, and that will be my opinion for FTM. I'm late for live. Have you checked BTC? Yeah, we are done with BTC, and we're almost done with our live stream today. So feel free to check out or just preview the live stream. So next chart request is, we'll talk about Filecoin. I think I still have the chart here for Filecoin, guys. I'm sure I made an analysis for this one. So let me open my chart here. I think I made an analysis for Filecoin. Oh, this was the previous analysis here. So this actually didn't play out well. So what you can see, we have this possible bull flag, but it didn't play out. As what you can see, it is very important to wait for a breakout confirmation before going on a long position, especially if the price is trading in between support and resistance. So if we have waited for that breakout confirmation here, then probably that could be a good short entry point here. Breakout, retested support, and then the price going down here. So this is one of the previous trade analysis which didn't go well because, again, we did not wait for that breakout confirmation. So it is important to wait always for a confirmation and be extra patient with your trades, guys, because if you rush, then you'll get yourself into a bad position and you'll not get a better entry here. So short-term Filecoin we have. Let's go check out the bigger time frame first. So short-term, let's try to open up maybe a new chart. Yeah, this is the chart that I am looking for. So spot buy zone for long-term and also another spot buy zone here for long-term. Which one to chart? I think we can use this one here. This for bigger time frames. All right, let's use this one. So we have actually very high, loud order block, guys, on this level. And also we have this previous resistance trend line, and it looks like the price could actually, we have seen that breakout. Let me delete it. Let me just delete it and make it clear. So we have seen that this was the previous spot buy zone for long term. And oscillator right now is still due for a correction. And using chart prime indicator, guys, we have this loud order block at around this level. So probably watch out for this level. This is going to be our spot buy zone. So if you're going to zoom out, we have this resistance trend line, guys, resistance trend line. And it looks like that the price manages to break out here. And it looks like that we are on the process of retesting this previous resistance as a support. So if Filecoin will be able to hold this level right here from 6.99 up to 8.2, this could be a good buy zone, guys. Buy zone for Filecoin. And as what you can see, we have just checked FTM, and if Filecoin will be able to hold this as a support, then we're looking at a significant price move here because, again, we don't have much trade on this level. So this is around 62% up to 80%, guys. So this next move right here for Filecoin is going to be big. So if we are going to measure it from the current level, that will actually give us around 120%. Again, not a financial advice. I think we are looking at a possible same move from FTM here. If Filecoin will be able to hold this as a support, actually, let me do like a, let me try to go on a small position here. So I'll do a DCA. I'll just do market order, guys. So probably $1,000. So this is a DCA position, guys. So Filecoin, this is gonna be a swing trade. DCA more at 6.9. 6.9. Right. So I have set another limit order here just in case we go down. So this is going to be a medium to long-term trade for Filecoin. So this is the price action that I am expecting for Filecoin. So let's hope that this level right here, order block, will hold as a support. That's what you can see, breakout, retested support. If this will hold, we are looking at a possible 120% move up to $18. All right, so that is going to be medium to long-term trade for Filecoin, and I think that will be our last chart for today, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I could not accommodate all the chart requests, but nonetheless, if you want to continue our chat, feel free to join our free public Telegram group. Of course, don't forget to smash that like button if you have enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. And click that notification bell if you don't want to miss out on my latest trades and analysis. And if you want to join our community in Discord, head on to Patreon. And I'll see you in the next one. Have a good night. Bye-bye.